Welcome to Vidyasketra YouTube channel. This channel is dedicated to easy learning and clear explanations. Let's start today's topic. Managed code, C#, F#, VB. Managed code is the application code written using .NET supported languages such as C#, F#, and Visual Basic. This code runs under the supervision of the .NET Runtime, which means developers do not directly manage low-level system resources like memory and CPU instructions. The runtime provides services such as automatic memory management, security checks, and exception handling. Managed code is safer because it reduces common programming errors like memory leaks and buffer overflows. It also improves developer productivity, as programmers can focus more on business logic instead of system-level details. Because managed code is compiled into intermediate language, the same application can run on multiple platforms like Windows, Linux, and Mac OS with minimal changes. Roslyn Compiler. Roslyn is the modern, open-source compiler platform used by .NET for C# and Visual Basic languages. It takes the source code written by developers and performs syntax checking, semantic analysis, and error validation. After verifying the code, Roslyn converts it into intermediate language, EL, which is later executed by the runtime. One of the major advantages of Roslyn is that it exposes compiler APIs, allowing tools like Visual Studio to provide advanced features such as IntelliSense, live error detection, code refactoring, and static analysis. Roslyn helps developers write high-quality, maintainable code and plays a major role in improving the overall development experience. EL code, intermediate language. Intermediate language, also known as EL or MSIL, is the platform-independent code generated after compiling .NET source code. EL acts as a bridge between high-level programming languages and low-level machine code. Because EL is not tied to any specific operating system or processor, it allows .NET applications to be portable across platforms. At runtime, EL code is converted into native machine code by the JIT compiler. EL also contains metadata, which describes types, methods, and references used in the program. This metadata helps the runtime with type safety, security checks, and memory management, making applications more reliable and secure. .NET Runtime, CLR, Common Language Runtime. The Common Language Runtime is the execution engine of the .NET platform. It is responsible for managing the lifecycle of .NET applications. CLR provides important services such as memory management, garbage collection, exception handling, thread management, and security enforcement. When an application starts, CLR loads the required assemblies and prepares the environment for execution. It works closely with the JIT compiler to convert EL code into native machine code. CLR also ensures type safety and prevents illegal memory access. By handling these responsibilities automatically, CLR allows developers to build robust, scalable, and secure applications without worrying about low-level execution details. JIT Compiler, Just-in-Time. The Just-in-Time compiler plays a crucial role during application execution. It converts EL code into native machine code at runtime, just before execution. Instead of compiling the entire application at once, JIT compiles only the methods that are actually called. This approach reduces initial startup time and improves performance. JIT also performs runtime optimizations based on the current hardware and CPU architecture. Because of this, the generated native code is highly optimized for the system on which it runs. Developers do not need to manually trigger JIT compilation, as it is handled automatically by the .NET Runtime. Garbage Collector, GC. The garbage collector is responsible for automatic memory management in .NET applications. It tracks all objects created in the application and identifies which objects are no longer in use. When memory is needed, the GC removes unused objects and frees memory space. This process prevents memory leaks and improves application stability. Garbage collection runs automatically in the background and uses generations to optimize performance. By handling memory cleanup, GC allows developers to focus on application logic rather than memory allocation and deallocation. This feature significantly reduces common programming errors related to memory management. Type system. The .NET type system defines how data types are declared, used, and managed in an application. It ensures that values are assigned and accessed correctly according to their data types. Strong typing helps catch many errors at compile time instead of runtime. The type system also supports inheritance, interfaces, and polymorphism, which are key concepts in object-oriented programming. By enforcing strict rules, the type system improves application reliability, security, and maintainability. It also enables language interoperability, allowing different .NET languages to work together seamlessly within the same application. Exception handling. Exception handling in .NET provides a structured way to manage runtime errors. Instead of allowing applications to crash unexpectedly, exceptions are caught and handled gracefully using try, catch, and finally blocks. This allows developers to log errors, release resources, and display meaningful messages to users. Proper exception handling improves application robustness and user experience. It also helps developers identify and debug issues more easily. By separating normal execution flow from error handling logic, exception handling makes code cleaner, more readable, and easier to maintain. Thread pool. The thread pool is a collection of reusable threads managed by the .NET Runtime. It helps execute multiple tasks efficiently without creating new threads each time. Creating threads is expensive, so reusing them improves performance and reduces system overhead. Thread pools are widely used in asynchronous programming, background services, and server applications. They help applications handle multiple requests concurrently while maintaining responsiveness. By managing threads automatically, the thread pool allows developers to write scalable and efficient applications without deep knowledge of thread management. Base Class Libraries, BCL. Base class libraries are a rich set of built-in libraries provided by .NET. They offer ready-made functionality for common programming tasks such as file handling, data collections, networking, security, and database access. BCL reduces development time by eliminating the need to write repetitive code. These libraries are thoroughly tested, optimized, and consistent across platforms. Almost every .NET application depends on BCL in some form. By using BCL, developers can build powerful applications faster and with fewer errors. Native machine code. Native machine code is the final form of code that is executed directly by the CPU. It is generated by the JIT compiler from EL code. This code is specific to the operating system and hardware architecture, such as x64 or ARM. Because it runs directly on the processor, native code provides high performance. Once compiled, the native code is reused during execution to avoid repeated compilation. This step ensures that .NET applications achieve performance close to traditional native applications while still benefiting from managed runtime features. Operating System, Windows, Linux, Mac OS. The operating system provides essential services required for application execution. It manages hardware resources such as CPU, memory, storage, and devices. The .NET Runtime depends on the operating system for low-level operations like file access, process management, and networking. Different operating systems have different system APIs, but .NET abstracts these differences to provide a consistent development experience. This allows developers to create cross-platform applications that run smoothly on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vidyasketra YouTube channel for more tech updates and easy learning.